How to send USDT from Coinbase to another wallet. If you want to send USDT from Coinbase to any other wallet, so depending upon which wallet you're trying to send to, you have to copy the USDT wallet address from the recipient wallet address. So if you're trying to send it to Binance, you have to open Binance, copy the USDT wallet address from Binance. If you're trying to send it to your Trust wallet, copy the USDT receiving wallet address from Trust wallet. After you've copied your respective wallet addresses, now you can go ahead and then open the Coinbase app. Once you launch the Coinbase app, from the bottom you'll find the option that says transfer. Tap on transfer and there you'll find the option called send crypto. Tap on the send crypto option. Make sure you have verified your info. After you've verified it, you'll find an option to paste a wallet address, which is the wallet address you wish to send to. So again, remember, if you're trying to send USDT, you need to have a USDT wallet address that you can receive to. Then you simply paste that wallet address here, confirm with the rest of the transaction as to the amount of USDT that you would like to send. And after you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then basically send USDT from Coinbase to any other wallet. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.